It was an upbeat day on the local bourse here in Seoul, with the benchmark KOSPI topping the psychologically significant 2,000 mark at one point in trading. Seoul shares and the Korean won closed at yearly highs today, following the U.S. Federal Reserve's move to reduce the number of interest rate hikes planned for this year. Market action here in Seoul today. Our Kim Min-ji reports.
Korean shares on the local currency both hit yearly highs on Thursday. Korea's benchmark KOSPI gained nearly 0.7% on Thursday to close at just under the 1,990 mark, the highest level so far this year. The KOSPI even topped the 2,000 level at one point in trading. And the Korean currency closed at over 1,173 won against the US dollar, up almost 1.7% from the previous day's close. This follows overnight gains on Wall Street in light of the Fed's decision to leave its key interest rate unchanged.
The committee decided to maintain its target range for the federal funds rate. This decision partly reflects the implications for the U.S. economy of the global economic and financial developments.
That means a current interest rate target of 0.25 to 0.5% will stay the same for now. On top of that, Fed officials are now calling for 2 rate hikes this year, down from the previously envisioned 4.
The Fed is taking what's going on in the global economy into consideration. Looking at the Fed's statement in the past and now, we can see it's changing from focusing on the local economy when deciding rates to risk management, like how global uncertainties will play out for the U.S. economy and whether it will weaken the recovery momentum.
The Fed also revised down its growth forecast for the U.S. economy to 2.2% this year, down from its previous projection of 2.4%. The outlook for inflation was also cut to 1.2% by the year's end, down from a prior 1.6% call. The Fed said moderate economic expansion and continued job growth would accommodate rate hikes down the line, prompting many analysts to say a rate hike could be in the works in June. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.